Good morning. I just spent my first night in the car in a Walmart parking lot. I would not recommend this, especially after a snow. Okay, here's what happened. So I parked sort of over onto the side. Ooh, excuse me. Because I was like, well, I don't want to be in anyone's way. I don't want to, take up a parking spot for someone who actually needs to use the store. So I parked off to the side. But little did I know they would have a plow truck. Not a plow truck. I don't know what kind of truck it was. Like, it had a plow in the front, but then it lifted the snow up, and then it put it inside the truck, and it just was this big bin. Anyways, it was beeping the whole time. So pretty much from when I tried to go to bed at like 9:30 until 2 in the morning, all I was hearing was beep, 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 beep. So I kept getting up and moving my car to see if there was anywhere where you couldn't hear the beeps, beep, beep. But eventually I fell asleep by like wrapping a towel around my head and just pressing on my ears. Other than that though, I slept great. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna go. I saw a bathroom place like 1 minute down the road, so I'm gonna go there and brush my teeth, and they're gonna be like, who's this weirdo bringing her toothbrush and toothpaste? Oh, I want to show you guys. I make my own toothpaste, and I'll put the recipe for it in the video description. But it's just like way better if you're gonna be camping and if you're gonna be spitting on the ground like I do, rather than always having a place where you have access to facilities. Here, I put it in this little Tupperware. It's really easy to make. It's literally just baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. I swear to God, most natural toothpaste, I don't like it. It doesn't make my teeth feel clean. But this stuff really, really does. Like, it really works. So, alright. I'll see you guys when there's more adventure to document. Bye. So, I was gonna go to Cape Lookout, and I'm so silly. I didn't realize you have to take a ferry to get there. That costs like $80. So, I'm not gonna do that. Now I drove all the way to the eastern Cape of North Carolina. I gotta find a national park that I can stay at tonight that does not require a boat to get to. Oopsies. Okay, anyways, that's where I am right now. It's really pretty. Bird, oh my God. Hi. Whoa. campsite right now, and I think this is gonna be the one because check out my view. Yeah, I think so. Absolutely. Oh man, I wish I had a kayak. Alright, this is it. I can't wait to watch the sunrise here tomorrow. You guys, I'm gonna cry. The campground host, she just drove up to my campsite and she offered me some beans. She said, bring your bowl up, I'll serve you some beans. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go get some beans. A really nostalgic moment. Because this is exactly how my grandma used to make lima beans. Seasoning to a T. Oh my gosh. She gave me a brownie too. Thank you, Tonya. You are an angel.
I'm all ready for bed in my tent.
I love this campsite. I love this host.
And I love my tent because it's so small that it's like instantly warm in here.
Just from me being in here. Yeah.
Okay, good night.